How does she hear anything on the phone through this noise? Poor Deanna, the victim. Her true side, she's very mean. An angry little child. Who's banging her head against the wall.
Oh. And being that near. They were like, okay,
Yeah, your mom talk. I'm not talking anymore.
Oh yeah, the ant thing.